gents. Look at that. Early in the morning. But it's all Gucci. It's all like, let me tell you why. I already have the replacement tires. Not today, Satan. A very early good morning. Shout out to you guys if you made it. And as you guys clearly saw in the clip before this, got a nice surprise, my tire blew. But it's alright. Why? Because we got the replacement tires anyway. So yeah guys, if you guys didn't know now, Penelope actually she's had a problem with her tires for like a long time. And what actually happened is my bra Arthur, if you guys remember Arthur, he has a Mark 1 City Golf, a City Storm, I think. Yeah, City Storm. And yeah, I'll pop the video somewhere here where we interviewed his car. But he actually got a new set of tires, and then I bought his tires off him, and I got them earlier this week, which is just perfect because I've had issues with all 4 of the tires on Penelope, and we're gonna be swapping those out today. Okay, gents. Oh, girls. Oh, yeah. Let's try and. Oh, that sounds terrible. Let's just get to the service. And the Lowe's is crazy. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, made it to work. Okay, guys, so I got to work at least safe enough. Do not recommend doing that in your life, right? It's the worst Lowe's you can have. I was just scraping the whole way up to the service over speed humps and hood, bruh. So do not recommend doing that. But I'll catch you guys when I go put on the new tires. Yo, mentor, welcome back. I do not know where we are in this video. Also, but as Frexic, as you guys can hear by the voice clearly. But we're gonna be picking up the rest of this video. We got the tires done at Trent Tire. Shout out to everyone at Trent Tire. Got the tires done there and the alignment, and they gave me a price. So shout out to Trent Tire Wolfish Bay if you want to check out any of your tire needs. They also sell a variety of wheels as well, but mostly it was just gonna be like your tire needs, your tire wheel balancing and alignment and stuff. So they're pretty well priced. So yeah, but that's not what we're gonna get into today. Today we're also gonna get into also some fun stuff. So what we're also gonna get into today, we got some really nice mods and stuff that I want to do for Penelope, that I've been wanting to do for Penelope for the longest time, and today you guys are gonna see some of the things. Well, in this video, I don't think it's gonna be today because I feel terrible. I caught a flu. I think it's a flu or something, but it's really bad. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that in this video, but let me just show you the things. It's not gonna be right now, but it's gonna be later in this video. But let me just show you the things we got. So yeah guys, we have a little bit of a setup for what we're gonna be getting into today. As you guys see, we have a new lip. If you guys are not familiar, I broke off Penelope's lip. I think it was last month or so, somewhere in March. There was heavy rain in Wolfish Bay, so then I broke off the lip. The lip broke off in water. Here's actually the old lip, or pieces of it. It broke off into 4 pieces. The other 2 pieces are at my place. But here are 2 of the pieces. As you guys can see, Not looking good for the car, but I got these. I got this SAR lip and I got these fender indicators, the clear indicators for an EK Ballade. So if you guys own an EK Ballade, you know that your clear indicators are just such a nice upgrade from the normal ones. This is the normal one that comes factory. It's in orange, and then we're gonna be replacing this with this clear one. I think this is gonna look a lot nicer against the silver. This doesn't look as nice on certain colors. Like, it doesn't stand out really well on like colors like white, but this does look really nice on the silver. So we're gonna be replacing those right now. And I got these. I got the lip and the indicators from Jaden, gone from Hybrid Line. You can't see that thing now, but yeah, I got him from Hybrid Line in SA. So shout out to Mr. Jaden from Hybrid Line. We had such a struggle. It's such a struggle getting like EK mods for a Honda Ballade in Namibia. Because no one sells them really. And I sourced out these from Hybrid Line. They're based in Gordons Bay. Shout out to Mr. Jaden. He's a subscriber. Has a really nice pricing. It was quite a mission getting them into Namibia, as you guys can imagine. It was a mission with transport and also with taxing on the border of South Africa coming into Namibia. But however, we did get these parts and I'm really excited to put them on the car. I think they're really gonna set the car off nice and give that finishing touch. I was gonna go for a different lip. I was gonna go for a Mugen lip from that I had here in Namibia. But I love the SAR lip a lot more on Penelope. I think it fits the car a lot better. And the clear indicators were just a nice touch. So the kit with the indicators comes, the indicators themselves in this box. It's a made in Taiwan. Yeah, in this box. That's the brand. They come the indicators and these bulbs. I'm not going to be using the bulbs because the bulbs in mine are already fine. But I might use these bulbs for my dashboard. So if in a Honda Ballade, you guys know, the dashboard has lights in itself for the climate control. Oh, the focus is terrible. But for the climate control area, my lights died. So I might just use these because they are single connects that are supposed to go in there. And these are single connects. So I think I might just use these and see if they can work for the dashboard. But yeah, that's that. And other goodies we have here on the table is, yeah, but before I get there, huge shout out to Hybrid Line. I'm gonna be putting on his sticker at the back. I got a new EAS sticker, so we're taking this one off. I'm gonna put it at the back as well as a Hybrid Line one. Shout out to Mr. Jaden. If you're watching this, thank you, bro. So if you are in the Gordons Bay area and you need Honda accessories, and so he has a huge list of things. I'll drop his Facebook in the description as well as his WhatsApp number. You guys can contact him through that. So if you're in the Western Cape area, he has really nice pricing and the quality of the things are really nice. We're just gonna check if the lip fits. I did a test fit and it does look a bit short, but we're gonna see if we can make it work. So yeah, shout out to Hybrid Line, Mr. Jaden, shouts to you, bro. But apart from that, we're also gonna be getting into some of these service parts I got for Penelope. So I've had Penelope for like a year and a couple of months now, and I got the car on 207,000 kilometers. Let me just check what she's on now. I think she's on 220 something. Yeah, she's on 223,100 on the dot. So I never serviced the car, and I always wanted to service the car. So this is just like a minor service that I'm gonna be doing on the car. Is just spark plugs, a good oil filter. I didn't get a Honda oil filter. I know I'm supposed to get that, but I didn't get a Honda oil filter. But we're gonna see if this thing jumps because good is a good brand. Yeah, we got these Castrol oil. Now this is a 20W50. I'm not sure if this is gonna work well, just because I know a lot of other people don't run this like viscosity, but I think it should be fine because I'm running a thicker viscosity because of the weather. So if you guys don't know, the oil is very dependent on temperature, and the temperature the car is, you know, the engine is going to be in. And in Walvis Bay it is quite cold, or colder than most. So I think this is going to work. I'm not sure, but we're going to do that later in this video. I'm going to do the indicators for now. So I'm going to stop talking because I just sound terrible and I feel terrible as well. But we're going to do the indicators now, and we might do the lip and we might do the dashboard lights as well. I might just do the dashboard lights off camera because it's a lot of work and I don't smack explaining as I'm doing the work because I don't actually know how to do it. I just watched one video, so we're gonna see if I can get it done. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the indicators for now, and then yeah, just stick along, like the video so long. Shout out to all my South African subscribers. I see you guys, and yeah, thank you for your support. And if you are from South Africa and you do like Honda content, do consider subscribing, do consider liking this video. We are on the road to getting to 5k subscribers, so that's for the goal for the year. And so yeah, let's get there. Shout out to you guys, and let's get into this, and let's give Penelope the love she deserves, because she has been giving a lot of love. But I am also very happy for the wheels. So I know I said I wasn't going to talk a lot, but I have to shout out to getting all 4 of my wheels back on the car. If you guys don't know, previously I had that rear tire that blow out on me. I got new tires from, shout out to Arthur, I got tires from him, and I got my 1 wheel back on the car. So now my car has all 4 of its wheels on. I don't know what brand these are. I got them with the car, it's 14s. But yeah, I got all of them back on the car. Super happy for that. It's really nice having them back. And it's the small things, The profile is a bit lower. I was running a 185/65 14, but these are 185/60 14. So it's a little bit smaller, not really that much, but it clears the fenders a lot better. So she drives a little bit better, which is nice. Also, shout out to Matthew. The bra got these TSW Hockenheims. If you are from South Africa, you guys know how nice these wheels are. They are 15s. He got low pros. He's going to be redoing this and putting this on a Sparky. I was also supposed to get these wheels, but then the money didn't pull through, and I had to swap these wheels for these, but I just couldn't get to it. But these are cool wheels. But yeah, shout out to that, and yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so upon review, as you guys saw, that the clear indicator is way too, it's so clear that the bulbs that were in the car, like this one, it's too light. So I'm gonna have to use the orange bulbs. Probably this is why probably the orange bulbs are there. So I'm gonna be putting the orange bulb into the light holder or the thing itself. And then I'm gonna put the indicator back on, but it looks really nice so far. Then I'll use this one for the dashboard. Okay, so as you guys saw, it came out pretty nice. It looks really nice next to the silver. Nice vibe. So out was the old, in was the new, I guess. Oh, that just looks so much nicer. Now we just need to respray front of the car because the bonnet is also looking terrible. But this is a nice touch. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna film it because it's the same step. It's really easy. You just take the screwdriver at the back of the indicator like this. Just pop it out. Put in a new bulb, put a new bulb into the thing, and then put the thing into the holder. And got it on, so it looks nice.